Isn't nice? Hello, parents. I want to do a little mini tutorial on some phonics sound cards. Um, on the worksheets that you get on your homeschool Friday worksheets at the bottom, I always have it X'd out. If it says, write the sound your teacher says, and I X it out because I've never shown you these. And so I probably won't sit, I'll keep Xing it out a little bit longer, but soon you might get some. So I might write down what you should say. But for now, I just want to show you, this is what we do to help them with their spelling. Beginning second grade is just a real stretch for spelling unknown words. If they're writing a creative writing assignment and they're making up a story, and their spelling just really will trip them up and make them not think it's quite as fun. But this will help them have more intuition on how to spell a word properly. So this is the sort of thing we do. And I'll say a sound like scruh. Now, I'm not telling them to write a word, but I'm telling them to write what letters would make those sounds. Scruh. So this is what we want to see. So it has a breve that shows it's a short U, and the SCR, those are three consonants right together that make one sound. We call that trigraph. Here's another one. This is another trigraph. Splay. Splay. I would say splay. And they would write it. I would say it as many times as they need me to. Splay. It takes practice for them to know that that is actually three different consonants put together. So they might get two of them. They might forget that L and just put sp. And then this is what they should write with a macron over the A for a long vowel sound. You can call that a straight line if you want. Here is one that is very difficult for them. Anytime we use the QU in either in the word like a QU in quack or quick, QUI, it's very hard for them to know that that's not just a consonant that makes it sound, it's a consonant with a vowel that makes one sound. Quack, quick. So here is square, square. They almost never get this one. It's going to take some practice, but they need it. Here's squeak. They need that for squeak or squeal. Here is twee. Right, twee. Can you guess? Mom, Dad? Twoo, excuse me. Twoo. Held up the wrong one. Now here is twoe. How would you write twoe? This is very confusing because some of them know how to write the word two. And this is how you write two, which is a sight word, which doesn't follow any rules, any phonics rules. And so to write twoe is the way two should be pronounced if it were phonetically makes sense. So here's toi. Here's splat. Here is here's another one, the trigraph. They're always the harder ones than just two consonants together, like sleep, slee, slee, slit. And it's really sometimes a lot of practice for them to hear the difference between a short I and a short E. Slit, 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 slit. Here is stra, stra. It's a trigraph with a short vowel with a breve. Strew. One or two more. I'm doing a lot of trigraphs just because those are the harder ones. I think you could probably imagine telling them breath, and they would put BRE with the short, the breathe over the E, or BRE, BRE with a macron over the E. The trigraphs slip them up a bit till we get really used to them. Throw, we are learning the O in bow. The OW makes the O in bow, makes the owl in bow, bow and bow. How tricky is that? But here's throw. We're not spelling the word THROW. We're just writing the sound, the phonetic combination that we're hearing. This is helping them reason out, use educated guesses to spell. Of course, we all know as English writers and English speaking adults that we can always find a word that doesn't follow any of these rules, but this helps them get the majority of their unknown spelling words with a good guess to them. So do some more later. Hope that helps. Thanks.